let's talk about the time I got scammed. What's up, guys? So, today we're going to be talking about my time spent with classic firearms and their turning condition number 4 Mark 1s. So, first off, what does turning condition even mean? Is it good, bad, worn, fair? Like, what are we talking about? Saying turning condition doesn't really mean anything specific. I feel like that's what they tried to do, is be very vague, and that's how they got me. And I also suckered up to the friggin' hand select, so I was like 25 or 50 bucks or whatever they charge. And as you can see, doesn't look too good for a hand select out of all these rifles they have. But let's get into it. Let's talk about it. So, originally, 1943 data, that's pretty cool. I like mid-war stuff, But they have someone, these are all from Ethiopia too. It seems like everything's coming out of Ethiopia nowadays. But these two also have, So another cool thing about these rifles is that they just say number 1. Somebody came through and grinded off the number 4 of it or whatever they had there. And they stenciled in, or laser penned in, a new serial number for it. I don't know what's going on there, but that's just weird to me. But it does have the flip-up sights there. It does have the flip-up sights. Safety works, everything like that. Just not much of the finish left for the rifle. But if you come down here, you get the bayonet, attachment lugs, everything like that. Cycle's fine. I haven't had any problems with that. But the bore, oh, don't get me started there. This keyholes every single round. So, I have an idea for it. And I'm sure we will show you guys some footage of me shooting this thing. So what my plan is for this thing is I'm going to turn it into a Delisle carbine, which means I'm going to turn this thing into a 45 shooting Mad Lad. Now, how am I going to do that? I'm going to buy a polymer stock, if I can talk right, because I can't talk. I'm going to buy a polymer stock and bubble the shit out of this thing. The biggest sin of all. I shall be strucken down for this, I swear to you. But I will go down blasting 45 God's caliber, I swear to you. Now, back to being a little serious here. That is my actual plan, is to turn this thing into a Delisle carbine, because there's not real much collector's value to it. And doing that doesn't really ruin any of the actual rifle itself. It's just changing out the wood, which if you take apart your rifle, you're doing that anyways, and putting a new barrel on it. Which this one's already sewer piped, so doesn't make sense to care about it. So, next thing we are going to be talking about is actually taking this down to the range, shooting it, and if by the time this video goes up I have the new stock, I will show you videos of that, but I don't think I will. So, like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let's get into that range video.
Should I try this one again?
I mean, you could.
Woo!
It's up to you. Yeah, you can use it. There we go.
God damn! Actually, you know what?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No, because I'm aiming for the point.
Just aim the gun up a little.
I fucking hit it! I put him right in the middle.
Yeah! God damn, we're losing. Yeah.
I know, fuck, for me, fucking
I'm almost prepared positive. I shut my eyes for the shot. I'm 100%
We're sticky. What the fuck is that thing? No! There's the reason you got this thing!
Let's see what you got.
those white lines?
Josh, show me.
Shit, you're murdering this thing.
I didn't hit it. You shot? Yeah, my turn. Wheels up in 10.
Can I shoot him?
Yeah, go ahead.
Just shoot like this. One-handed?
Go, see what happens.
No, I'm good.
I'll one-handed.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you guys shooting?
With safety on?
Fucking safety. No! There's the reason you got this thing.
Let's see what you got.
Yo, what's the deal with those white lines?
Josh, show me.
Shit, you're murdering this thing.
Let's shot it again. Going over. Lines out there.
Jake,
The
down,
gun's on the table.
down, all the way. There you go.
Yeah, no, it's down.
I gotta get
No, it wasn't. But
Yeah,
okay.
it wasn't all the way down. I'll give you that.
because I suck at it.
11?
Yeah.
Oh, this one's such a pain to get over.
Yeah.
If you're a baby.
Yeah.
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 What do you know?
Hold my waist.
What?
Hope you guys enjoyed that video of me shooting that rifle. That was actually a lot more fun than I remember it being. And it's not awful for accuracy, as you saw. Yeah, keyholes, but what can you do? Well, hope you guys stuck around this long and stick around to the end. There might be some bloopers. Hope you guys enjoyed that video of me shooting this rifle. You probably see all the keyholes that it did. But I'm going to put up a poll of all the rifles I have that you guys haven't seen yet. And you guys can it's probably going to be on either my YouTube channel or my Reddit, which I'll leave a link to the description in. So yeah, go check that out so you guys can see which rifle you want to see next. Have a good one. Alright, now stay still. Yeah, magic.
Shut the fuck up.
Magic. Magic man.
Stay right there.
This is how real photographers do things. They don't
Shut
edit.
up!
They just bring things.
Alright, action.
Ah!